How to send bulk email individually in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. And if you want to send a bulk email individually to different people, what you can do is that you can use mail merge. So because if you use new email right here, and then if you have a lot of recipients right here in the to field, everyone will see their emails. You can also use the BCC field, but there is no like recipient that will be displayed in the email since it's just BCC, so there's no one in the to field. So what you can do, as I mentioned, is that you can use mail merge. So to use mail merge, what we can use is that we can just use Microsoft Word so that we can customize the details of our email. And then before you also go to Microsoft Word, you also need to have your contacts already created in Microsoft Excel. So for example, here are the people that I want to send the bulk email using mail merge. So you have the first name, last name, email, city, state, postal code, phone number. So if you need to use all of this, you can go ahead and use them in the email. And then from here, we can go to Microsoft Word, then click on mailings in the ribbon, and then we need to select the recipients first. So just click select recipients, and then if you want to create a manual list, you can just click type a new list, then you can type them right here. Or as I said, since we have a Microsoft Excel file, we can just use the Excel file that we created. So from here, we can click use an existing list. And then after clicking use an existing list, this file explorer will open. Then you can navigate to the folder where you have your Excel file. So I have my Excel file right here with the name mail merge sample. So we can find it right here, which is this one, the mail merge sample Excel file. So I can just click on that and then click OK. From here, we can now go ahead and create our email with the custom details of our recipient. So for example, we can put dear, and then we can insert the merge field. So let's say we put the first name of the person, then we can also put the last name of the recipient. Then for example, I am informing you that our office is closed for the next week. If you have any business transactions, we will continue it when the office is open again. Thanks for understanding. So for example, here's the look of our email that we are going to send. And then you can use the insert merge field right here to insert custom details about your customers, or your like the people that you want to send the mail merge. So what I did earlier is I insert the first name and last name of each of the person in the list that we created using Excel. So if you want to show the results of how it will look, you can just click preview results. Then it will show the names of the recipients that you have in your Excel file. As you can see right here, it changes the names. Now, if you want to start the mail merge, you can just click finish and merge. Then you can click send email messages. So right here in start mail merge as well, if you want to change the look of your document right here, you can also choose other steps right here, but I just went with the letters. And then again, let's go to finish and merge. Then we need to click send email messages. From there, we need to choose their email so that it will be sent to their email address. So be careful about choosing other fields right here. And then for the subject line, we can put, for example, office closed next week. So for example, like that. Then for the records, You can choose all, or choose current records, or you can specify a number right here. Like for example, if you just want to send the email uh for the persons in number 2 up to number 5. So for example, like that. But I'm just going to choose all, then click OK. Then you just need to wait for that to finish, and then that should now be reflected in Outlook. So now I can open my Outlook account again. Then we can see in the sent items that the mail merge has now completed. So as you can see, each email right here is different for each specific person in our contacts. So as you can see right here, as you can see, the first name and last name is correct, and then the email is correct as well in the to field. And you can go ahead and see that for all of the other emails right here. And what's good with this is that the email is catered to each individual person. So you don't just have the like a template email. You can customize your email by adding their first name and last name and other fields that you want. And then that is it. So that is it for the mail merge tutorial and how we can send a bulk email individually in Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.